Welcome to Chi Chi's Kitchen. Today I introduce delicious Taiwanese scallion pancake. There are many how to make the dishes more delicious tips in this video for your reference. Enjoy it. Let's start. Green onions. Water 140 cc. Salt 2 grams. All-purpose flour 250 grams. Add salt water. The dough is only 3 ingredients: salt, water, flour. It's very simple. Mix them together to make a dough. This formulation and quantity is easy to handle and easy to knead, so it is recommended. Take out the dough and cover it. Rest the dough. 10 minutes later. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Shape it into the rounded small dough. Rest the dough again. 10 minutes later. Dough is now just the right softness for easier shaping. Gently press the dough into flat. Starch. Sprinkle on both sides. Stretch the dough. With this recipe, the size of one skin is about 20 cm to 25 cm in diameter. Approximate size is fine. Apply oil. You can use your favorite oil, olive oil, melted butter, etc. Sprinkle the green onions. Cut a slit with a dough scraper. Fold it into a square. It's easy to fold if you slit it. Add oil into the pan and pan fry. Fry until golden turn over. Turn it over a few more times for a crisper finish.
Wow, looks so good.
Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe to the channel.